Okay, Lindley, so this is specifically for you because you asked about making a magic circle. As I said, this is not my favorite way to start a project. I prefer doing chains, but this is how I make a magic circle. So I'm holding, this yarn is over my two fingers. I'm going to wrap around and then I'm going to cross over. And so on the back, it's going to be behind. Take my hook, push it through and catch that piece from behind, and it makes a starting loop, and that's what you're going to use to start your chain. And so slip it off of your fingers, hold it however you're comfortable with so that you can start your chain. So there is the first chain, and then I take it and go ahead and wrap. This is how I usually hold my yarn, so then I can hold with my ring finger and my thumb while I work and go ahead and start my chain from there. So again, hold it in front of your fingers, wrap it over, do a complete circle around, and then cross over and come behind. I'm letting go with the thumb. Push underneath the back and pull through like that to create a loop. I let it off of my fingers where I can hold it, wrap it, and pull that chain through. So that's how you do a magic loop. Obviously, I'm not super fluid with it because it's not a technique that I use all the time. And then once you have whatever you're doing with it, it does give you the ability to pull it tight in the center like so. So hold it in the front, wrap around two fingers, cross over to the back, and where you've got your cross here, push under the front one, hook the back one, pull up a loop, pull it so you're holding it where it's tight on your hook, and start your chain. Hope that helps.